Good morning, dear children. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulbekova Ahmad Kalibekovna. I am a teacher of foreign language in Sharal Secondary School number 1. Today our new theme is Into Space. Please open in your people's book at page 100. We have got some objectives today. The first objective is to learn new words into space. The second objective is to talk about space. And now I have got some questions for you. The first question is, would you like to travel into space? Why? Why not? And the second question, do you know any planets bigger than? Please answer these questions. Please look at this picture. Let's say the names of the planets. Repeat after me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Let's repeat it again with me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, very good. Before we watch this video, I would like to tell you that after watching you will be asked the following questions. They are: the first question, which planet is the nearest to the Sun? The second question, which planet is the hottest and the brightest? The third question, which second name has our planet? The fourth question, which planet is called red planet? The fifth, which planet is the biggest? And the sixth, which planet has rings? Let's watch video.
Our topic for today is planets of the solar system. The 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They revolve around the Sun in definite orbits. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. As Mercury is nearest to the Sun, it is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. The second planet, Venus, is the hottest and brightest of all planets. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called as the morning star or evening star. The third planet in the solar system is our planet Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet on which life is known to exist. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also known as the red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. The fifth and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is so large that it can occupy nearly 1,300 Earths inside it. The sixth planet, that is Saturn, is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is yellowish in color. It has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. As this planet is farthest from the Sun, cold winds blow here at very high speeds.
Please open your copybooks and write down the answers to these questions. Let's check your answers to questions. Look at the correct answers. They are: the first, Mercury, the nearest planet to the Sun, it is Mercury. The next, Venus, the brightest and hottest planet is Venus. The third, blue planet, the second name of our planet is blue planet. The fourth, Mars, we call it Mars, the red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. And the last answer is Saturn, a planet that has rings. And now let's learn new words on the topic interspace. The first word is space station. Space station. The next, telescope. Repeat after me. Telescope. Space suite. Space suite. Rocket. Rocket. Alien. Alien. Please repeat after me. Planet. Planet. Astronaut. Astronaut. Spaceship. Spaceship. And the last word, comet. Comet. And now open your dictionary and write down these words. Now open your People's Book, page number 101, exercise number 3 and 4. In the exercise 3, you need to read the sentences and add the words. For example, number 1, it is a piece of rock that looks like a bright star with a tail. For example, it's comet. Number 2, you have to use this when you travel into space. Please think what about is a stake and add one word. The third, astronauts must wear this in space. Number 4, you can use this to look at stars and the planet. Number 5, it's a place where people live and work in space. Number 6, a being from another planet. It's a home task. Exercise number 4. Look and read, and then write yes or no. The first, there is a comet. Here we see a comet, so we wrote the answer yes. The second, the aliens are flying the rocket. You will need to write yes or no. The third, the aliens are wearing space suits. Write yes or no. The fourth, the aliens can see a rocket through the telescope. Okay. The fifth. The astronaut is in the rocket. The astronaut is in the rocket. Okay. Very good. And now our lesson is over. Your home task you can see here. Exercise number 3 and number 4. Okay. Goodbye, children.